Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. We are going to make a traditional soup from the southeastern part, Gaziantep, Yuvalama. Today I'm with my mom. My mom used to live in Gaziantep City, which is famous with its kebab, pistachios and baklava and many other. It's a very rich cuisine and this soup is also famous. She remembered this dish from that time. Düğünlerde, bayramlarda yapılır.
Düğünlerde, toplulukta, ziyafetlerde.
Evet. We have our cooked meat here, cubed beef that is cooked until soft. We have our minced meat. It's hot, so I kept it in the fridge. 200 grams ground beef. We're gonna make small köftes using the ground beef and this rice. I soaked this overnight and then drained the water. Now we are going to process in the food processor to make our rice flour ourselves. This is traditionally how you should make it instead of using the rice flour in boxes. You soak the rice and then process it. Some chickpeas, onion, egg for köftes, salt, flour, semolina and yogurt for our base. We are also going to make a buttermint sauce on top. So let's begin. Adding about a liter of hot water and going to let it simmer. So we're gonna process the rice first. Since my soaked rice waited for the next day, it hardened again, so I had to drizzle some water. So I put a little bit water to process easily. Now it's kind of sticky. I'm gonna process a bit more. Yes, this is enough. Going to add the onion. Minced meat. The semolina, a tablespoon, flour, and about teaspoon salt. It looks soft and sticky. İrmik mi un mu ekleyeyim?
İrmik ekle istersen.
So it is a bit softer and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon more semolina. One more.
Daha sertleşir durdukça biraz çeker ya irmik.
Okay, it looks fine. We can shape it easily and it's ready. Okay, our rice köfte mixture is ready. To shape it, we're gonna use some vegetable oil. Bu ayçiçek yağı. We have to use vegetable oil. Tamam. And here is the tricky part, fun part. We're gonna make it very small. That's the traditional way they make. Let me transfer this here. Traditionally, they shape it very finely as in traditional Turkish recipes. They love to work with the ingredients to make tiny pieces. And in this case, it's the köfte. Nohutla aynı boyda mı olması?
Evet, hemen hemen aynı yani.
Ya da daha küçük de
Oldukça yani bir kaşığa 40 tanesi sadece 40.
It is even more better, acceptable to have 40 pieces to fit in one spoon. But we're not gonna do that much. So we're gonna dip our hands to the oil from time to time and then shape. And look, my mom even shapes 2 at a time. Şu biraz büyük oldu bu.
Evet, arada kaçıyor.
I said this one is big, but no worries. Our viewers will accept this size. So let's continue. Let me also try. Hold on. Got some oil to my palm. Nasıl aldın 2 parça?
Alıyorum birazcık.
Tamam.
Şu şekilde
İkiye
bölüyorum.
ayırdım.
Evet, şöyle birazcık verdim.
Tamam.
Elimde. Bu şekilde.
İkisi beraber.
Tek tek de olur. Ama bu kadar küçük olunca başa çıkamıyor tek tek. Biraz
Evet.
geç olur.
If you let it sit for 10-15 minutes maybe or in the fridge because it's hot today, the mixture might get even harder and this way it will be easier to shape.
İstersen böyle, istersen böyle.
Yağ batırmayı unutmayalım. So we shaped our tiny rice köftes and I'm gonna get the soup here. It is already boiling with the chickpeas and meat.
Dök karışır içinde.
Since we used oil while shaping, it doesn't stick. Yes. And we're gonna transfer back to the stove top. Finally, we're gonna prepare the yogurt sauce, which has about 1.5 cups of yogurt, 1 egg, and about 2 tablespoons flour.
Çok olur. Çok olur.
Hı?
Tamam.
Okay, 1.5 tablespoon. We're gonna whisk. This part is important. Now we have to adjust the heat of the yogurt with the soup before adding back, otherwise it can curdle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some stock from the soup to warm up the mixture. Make sure to add gradually the meat stock while whisking continuously. Getireyim bir daha. This looks fine. We're just going to wait until it simmers and the rice köftes are soft and then drizzle back the yogurt mixture to our soup.
Birazcık daha kaynaması lazım. Ben dökmüyorum. Kaynayarak koyarım kesilmez. Kıvamı güzel. Altını aç.
Açtım.
Sen devam et.
Tamam. For the mint sauce, simply I melted some butter and heat up dried mint. Tamam, çok karıştırma bence. Tamam. Okay, our yuvalama is ready. It's time to taste. Bismillah. İyi mi? After you pour the mint sauce, make sure not to over mix because you want to serve some of the delicious sauce on top of your soup.
Güzel, görüntü güzel.
Evet.
İnşallah tadı da güzel.
İnşallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Çok güzel.
Delicious. The meat.
Herkese tavsiye ederim denemelerini.
Bir başlayınca gidiyor yine.
Evet, gerisi geliyor.
Gerçekten güzel. Ben ilk defa denedim bu arada. Sen de.
Lezzetli.
Hatırladığın gibi mi tadı?
Aynen.
Aynen. Güzel.
Değişiklik yok yani.
Yorumlarınızı da bekleriz.
Evet, evet.
My mom reads all your comments. Actually, I read to her and sometimes she does too from the translation. We are really thankful for your lovely comments. We receive lots of thanks and your prayers for my mom to be together and healthy inshallah for a long time. Make sure to give thumbs up and try this delicious authentic Gaziantep recipe Yuvalama. Let us know how it turned out. You can also check our other episodes that we made with my mom together and the trips we made in Istanbul and also Kastamonu, in Nevşehir, Kapadokya, which is my mom's hometown.
Sana özellikle selam gönderenlere de ben de çok selamlarımı sunuyorum.
Yes.
Herkese hayırlı günler, iyi günler diliyorum. Zahmetli ama çok lezzetli.
Yes, that's right. Bu kadar herhalde. Yiyelim.
İyi
Okay,
günler.
see you in the next episode.
Biz devam.
Biz devam. Zeynep, you wanna taste?
Peçete olsaydı iyiydi.
Peçete, sorry. Tamam, şimdi verelim artık, kapatırız.